Welcome again to Androidiya. In today's video, we will talk about how to access your clipboard on your PC, as same as you do on your phone. So you're you saved some text or some links, and you want to take them back or to show them on your clipboard. How to do that? Go to your start menu or on search bar. Type clipboard settings, then you will find this tab, make it on, then go to anywhere and copy the link. So I want to show them on my clipboard. To press on your keyboard Windows and V, then the clipboard here, and all the text or links that you saved earlier or copied earlier, it will show up here, and you can grab them and copy them and do anything that you would like to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and thanks for watching.